Hello everyone, my name is Thomas at DMU, an MSc Pharmaceutical Biotech student. I've come to the end of my studies, my MSc studies here, and it's been a very good time here. I've learned a whole lot of new experiences being here as a student, meeting new professors, getting to learn new techniques and new theories which are of essence to my field, meeting new students who have really enriched my experiences, because people from different cultures and we are always together, getting to interact, getting to tell about ourselves, getting to know more about our backgrounds. It's been very good. And even meeting students out of my core field, like my core background, students from different faculties and all that. So I've had countless experiences. My technical know-how has been boosted. I've gotten to know many more things, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity that DMU and DFID granted me to be able to study here as a student. I'm very grateful that without that I wouldn't have been able to tap into all these sort of experiences that have come to my aid at this time. So I'm very grateful, and I have been able to make good use of all those experiences, because I sat for all the courses, I did the best that I could do, and gratefully I had good grades in all my modules, and I'm very grateful that in the end everything has come to a successful end. Looking back at this previous 1 year, starting from semester 1, semester 2, and then finishing with semester 3, looking at the modules that I took, they've all been very good, so much of eye-openers. One good thing is that I could do well in all of the modules, that if I can remember, so I think for most of them I had an distinction and being the top, having the top marks in the class. It's been good because that's the goal that I set. That not only was I looking at going to be able to be ahead of my class, but I was always looking at getting the best mark possible. It's been good, and it's been good, although they have not been so easy. They've been very intensive, several things to do at a time, several sort of assignments. But when you put all of them together, in the end, you get to see the success, which gets to be so much of a good experience. So how did I do it? That makes it kind of weird. I would say it's all about planning. You have to plan as a student. You get to be introduced to so many new techniques and new fields that you before wouldn't have heard of. But that's how you approach challenges. You have to confront them, take them on, try as much, learn your bit, try to understand. If you do not, make sure you go to the professors. That's their main objective, to make sure you understand whatever they teach you. And I always had it this way, that I would always be hitting till I understand it. Because if I do not understand, then we're not moving forward in class. And my professors always laugh at me that I would always be asking so many questions. Our class was very interesting, as some of the feedback that we've been getting from our professors, that they see our class as one of the memorable ones that they always remember, because we were always engaging in arguments, questions. I'll take one side of an argument, and then a different student will take another side, and we'd always be hitting, so that we get to know, we get to understand why it is this and why it is not that. And it's been very good, because through that, then we get to understand more. Through that, we get to know many more things about what is this in research and also in industry, and that's in a way preparing us for the life ahead. What lies ahead? That's an interesting question, but it is my dream to continue to get trained to be a very good researcher in the field of biomedicine. So I will continue to pursue my career. Presently, I'm looking forward to begin the PhD in the next few months, and then I'm also not forgetting my dream of wanting to set up something back home in Ghana, because through what this course has built me to be, I've been able to realize that there are some gaps in the market when it comes to West Africa. There are a whole lot of things that we can build there, but presently they are not available. And I'm focusing on some aspects which obviously I cannot voice them out. But I'm looking at these two in the immediate months ahead of us, and hopefully others will follow. Hello, my name is Thomas at DMU, an MSc student. I've come to the end of my studies, my MSc studies. It's been 1 year, it's been a good experience. I met a whole lot of new people, learned new techniques, gotten in contact with many people from all over the world, and it's been very good. I'm just happy that at the end my studies has come to an end, and I'm going home.